Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Q Acoustics M40 HD. An all-in-one wireless music streaming system that promises big sound from a relatively compact design. We'll cover everything from its features and design to sound quality and overall value. Let's get started. Starting with the design, the Q Acoustics M40 HD presents a unique proposition in the speaker market. Standing at 710 mm tall, these speakers are relatively compact for floor standers, making them suitable for smaller spaces without compromising on audio performance. They come in a choice of finishes: white, black, or walnut, and feature a sturdy MDF construction with vinyl wrapping. The design is clean and functional, enhanced by Q Acoustics point-to-point bracing technology, which minimizes sonic reflections and internal vibrations. Setting up the M40 HD is straightforward. You'll need to attach stabilizers and spikes to the speakers. Connect them using the provided speaker cable, and plug in the primary speaker to mains power. Once set up, using them is a breeze with the included remote control that handles power, input selection, and Bluetooth pairing. Despite the simplicity, the remote could benefit from more precise volume control. In terms of features, the M40 HD packs quite a punch. It offers both wired and wireless connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.0 with support for aptX HD and low-latency codecs. For wired connections, you have digital optical and USB-B inputs capable of handling high-resolution audio up to 24-bit, 192 kHz. Each speaker is powered with 100 watts, driven by Class D amplifiers, ensuring ample power for dynamic sound reproduction. Now, let's talk about the most crucial aspect: sound quality. The M40 HD impresses with its energetic and articulate sound signature. Whether you're listening to high-energy tracks or intricate acoustic recordings, these speakers deliver a balanced and engaging performance. The continuous curved cone drivers provide clear mid-range and deep, controlled bass, while the tweeters handle treble with finesse, maintaining detail without harshness. Positioning is key here. Optimal placement away from rear walls enhances their performance significantly. To wrap up, the Q Acoustics M40 HD stands out as a compelling option for anyone looking to upgrade their audio setup without sacrificing space or breaking the bank. With its impressive sound quality, solid build, and user-friendly design, it offers excellent value for both audiophiles and casual listeners alike. If you're in the market for a powerful yet compact wireless speaker system, the M40 HD deserves serious consideration. That concludes our review of the Q Acoustics M40 HD. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.